Morning, sir. Can I see your driver's license?
Yes. The day has come.
Hmm?
The day has come.
Yeah.
Judgment day.
This is Shalom. He's got his driving test first attempt.
Yes.
New pass rates have started from the 1st of April. I've had 2 driving tests and tell them what they've both done.
They've both been failed. Those 2 tests.
Iranian guy, a lecturer from the university, failed. Somebody driving too slow. Somebody overtook him. He needed more lessons, but he didn't do them. And another guy failed the other day. I sat in the back of the car. He failed right at the end of the test. Driving exam has to pull up on the right, so he goes and pull up next to a bend, and then he reverses him back. And what have you got to do when cars come towards you?
Yeah.
What have you got to do?
Stop.
He didn't stop. He failed right at the end.
Ah.
Both of these dudes needed, both nice guys, both needed more lessons, but they didn't do them. And guess who got them cancellations? Me. Yeah. So we won't be looking for another one for them. How many lessons have you had?
7 sessions.
When I first met him, he was very fast and I don't know.
Yeah, fast.
Yeah.
And yeah.
But he's had 14 hours now, so this guy's got a good chance of passing. I'm not saying he's going to, but if he fails, I've had 3 fails in a row.
Can't complete the
Can't.
set. Understand that.
Right. Any questions?
No.
Have you got your glasses a day, or are you not wearing them?
Well, if it gets sunny, otherwise, yeah. I only wear it to protect my eyes.
Do you?
Yeah. So.
Super cool dude, this one. Good driver. Really good style. Right, go on, let's go. Did you watch your mock test video?
I didn't know it was on it because it never recorded, so never uploaded it, he said.
It never recorded? I thought it recorded.
No, he said it never recorded, so couldn't upload it.
Are you sure? I thought it was up.
Well, I asked you the last time, you said it didn't record, so I said, alright. So, is this gonna be on even during the test?
What? No, the camera.
Yeah.
No, just you doing some good stuff on the way to the test centre.
Right.
Hopefully coming back with a pass.
And then you continue from there?
And it's only a little 10-minute video, just you introducing yourself.
Right.
Does the car feel different? Different car?
Yeah, the clutch.
Yeah, softer.
Softer.
Is there anything you're worried about? Any questions at all? Anything you're not sure about?
Well, I think it's only the roundabouts I get a bit.
Oh yeah. You passed the mock test last lesson, didn't you?
I did.
And then on the way back, you committed 3 serious faults on roundabouts.
That's like just to complete the day, might give you 1 or 3 major faults.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it doesn't feel like a test.
You won't do that today, will you?
No, I cannot afford to do that.
And when you get in the car with the examiner, put the license in the cup holder, yeah?
Yeah.
And the keys. Now, do you want me to come with you and sit in the back, or do you want me to sit at the test centre?
I would say sit in the back.
You want me to sit in the back? Yeah?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, we're going to do the control stop. The parallel park on that silver car. But when you're ready to move up, if you miss your shoulder check, both shoulders, it's an instant fail.
Both shoulders? Yeah.
On the emergency stop, yeah? Look over your left shoulder also. Your left shoulder. That's it. Just keep looking over.
The car is coming then.
They're waiting for you?
Yeah.
Then you carry on. Yeah, whoa, just yeah, that's perfect, yeah. Have you any questions about that?
No, our parking should be fine.
That's perfect, that, yeah? Absolutely perfect. Now if you nudge the curb, what do?
You look with both the shoulders.
And shouldn't have fallen, yeah, but that's really high standard. Right. Give it a go, drive on winner, perfect. Now we're going to go down to the bottom where the black and yellow pole is, and I want you to reverse it into a bay of your choice. Are you happy with that?
We can go a bit more.
Well, if you leave it here, you're going to get a serious fault. The front end's oversticking the beer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look over your right shoulder. Look how far you're off the hedge, yeah? There you go, that's better. Right, now turn that off for us. Just, no.
The parking. Okay.
Yeah, right. I did have a guy from Meadowfield for this. The examiner said, "Are you happy with this?" He said, "Yes." Well, the examiner got out of the car.
It was way out.
And he said he could have lain down at the back of the car. Yeah?
Right.
So if you had left it there, it would have been a safe. But
I
otherwise...
think the parking was... I think set me off.
Right, if it goes red,
yeah.
just stop. But look over your shoulder.
Yeah, I mean that
You
is
can
about a
see-
judgment, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, go on then, off you go when you're ready.
Do I have to look both shoulders when I move from the bay?
Yeah. Well, here, it's not necessary, but what's behind us? But normally, yes, I would say yes.
They just do it either way.
You don't need it, either. There's nothing there, is there? Unless somebody's going to jump out of that bush, which I very much doubt it.
Oh, no.
Might be an examiner. Yeah? So the examiner gets
Possibly.
He's veggies.
Sneak upon us, yeah.
And then he'll fail you for it.
You were like, I saw you there and then, but you did not park well in the bay.
No, at the end of the... Doing them at the same time. It's got to be mirrors before signal. There's an examiner here, he will mark you like mad. Honestly. He's in your... Go on, just don't stop. Right now, I'd like you to drive it forward into a bay of your choice. That's lovely, sir. Good stuff. Now reverse it out to the right, so the back of the car wants to go that way. Move your left shoulder, yeah. No, you just stop here first. Just stop. That's it.
Are they coming back from the test as well?
No, they're doing the test the same time as you.
I was hoping I don't get the new guy you were talking about.
Well, he got 14 falls. He's here. I don't know how he's marked, but he's new, but he don't get that many falls ever. All good, sir. That'll do for me. All good. Right. But it's time to wish him the very best of luck. Shalom, go on, give us a prediction. Are you going to pass or fail?
I'm gonna pass.
How many falls?
I'm aiming for 0 minus and absolute 0.
That would be good, but
I'm being optimistic, right? I'm being optimistic.
well, he's had 2 serious falls. He pulled out of a junction in second gear and stalled, and then there was a meeting situation.
Yeah.
And then
I wouldn't too close of a junction when you.
No, you get away with that. Just if it'd been a main junction, then yes.
Right.
If he gets, depends which exam he gets. I normally go for my 3, but there's one exam to give my pupil 14 driver falls the other week. He's new, and I don't think I don't know what's going on there.
Yeah.
Me, I've never had 14 faults in 20 odd years.
14 falls.
14 driver falls. 6 of them were for mirrors. And,
Wow.
Right. Well, we're back off test with a cool Shalom. Tell them what you've done.
My glasses are on. That means this is not me hiding my tears. I'm happy. I got my license. I've passed my test. Sorry.
Tell them how many faults you got.
I got 3 minor faults.
Can you remember what they were for?
Yes, one was for the meeting situation, which I actually thought I was gonna get a major fault, but it was a close call. I know. I actually thought, but it was a close call. I got 1 minor for that. Other was, I think all 3 of them were for moving off from the traffic. Basically,
he got 1 for control steering.
Yeah.
You must have swung wide or done something with the steering. And you got 1 for moving off safely. Did you forget your blind spot or?
No, blind spot was fine, but it was the same situation of a car coming from a distance. I was like, should I go or should I give him way? In terms of should I actually?
Maybe you needed a signal.
Yeah.
Tell them what the examiner was like.
Examiner was absolutely lovely. He was such a gentleman. He was such a fun guy.
What was his name?
His name is Paul.
Paul.
Yeah.
Oh, nice guy. I've never had him. I haven't had him yet.
Yeah, Paul is. Yeah. So and he was making sure that everything is calm and collected, and he was having conversation about he's going to have a vacation in Turkey and stuff. So while I was driving, we were just having a nice cruise around the city and motorway. And yeah, I just want to thank Ken. He's been such an amazing instructor. And he has been very patient with me, especially when he has come across some horrible drivers from India. he had his reservations, but when he saw me driving, he saw that I have potential, and he made sure that I do get the test. And he was like, "You better pass this test, cause I've got this slot for you." And
yeah, I got you test, didn't I?
yeah, he got me cancellation, and there are tons of his students waiting for a test, but he chose me. And so yeah, for me, other thing was like, I can't let this man down. So yeah, if you're watching this video, please take Ken's instruction, because like I'm so much thankful for Ken. Like he's been,
well done. Are you going to get a car now?
Gotta take it. I mean, I owe it to you. I owe it to myself, Ken. I gotta get a car.
What type of car you get?
I am very much inclined towards either a Golf or a Corolla.
Wow,
So,
Golf's a nice, aren't they?
Golf is nice, but like Corolla is like reliable as and it's cheaper in running costs, but Golfs are like absolutely beautiful. And yeah,
it's a good feeling though, isn't it?
it's an amazing feeling. It's a phenomenal feeling. Yeah, but yeah, let's go.
Well done, sir. Well done.
Yeah. speed limits. I think he was. I mean, like I was very much aware of the speed
Yeah.
limits, but my examiner was also like, so this is a national highway speed. This is a 30, this is a 40. So yeah, I mean, like it depends on how blessed you are to get the examiner. Like someone can be too strict, someone can be too nice to you, and they can actually help you with it.
Yeah,
So
you're
I
right,
think
man.
that overall also helped my confidence and to keep my calmness, because he was like just keeping it so chill and so nice.
Well,
So yeah, absolutely blessed. Thank you, Lord.
you are.
Yeah.
You're a really. He's the coolest guy I've met from India.
I
Yeah. He
had no
goes to
idea.
the gym. He has 10 egg whites for breakfast. Don't
An
you?
egg whites, a breakfast, 200 grams of chicken, 200 grams of beef.
Fit as a butcher's dog. This one. He's got the body of a Greek god. This one. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Coolest Indian guy I've ever met. Which part
It's-
are you from?
I'm from the south, from the state of Kerala.
Kerala. Well, I've
Yes.
taught loads from there, honestly.
Yeah,
Kerala,
yeah.
It's beautiful down there,
You,
isn't
you,
it?
you get a lot. Yeah, Kerala is absolutely beautiful. So green, so lushful.
You're one of the best I've seen from there.
Oh my days.
Yeah.
That is some compliment to get from Ken, from your instructor. I've had 7 lessons, and I was almost gonna ring Ken this last Sunday. I was asking like, Ken, can we do one more test? And I was like, you know what? Ken has done, like, he's literally taught me everything, and like there's only so much I can learn, and like he has literally gone through everything in terms of my faults and everything. So I was like, I don't think there's any extra lesson is gonna help.
The driving examiner did said it was a lovely drive, didn't he?
He did.
Told you
enjoy
he
it.
has a really good style, this one. Really good style.
He did enjoy it, and that's why he was like, after one point, after the sat nav ended, he
Yeah.
was like, he just started a conversation. So where are you from, and what are you doing this holiday? So he was,
Definitely a cool dude, sir.
he's lovely.
Good piece of paper, that isn't
Good
it?
piece of paper. It's the most valuable thing in my life. Well, of course, my family and my girlfriend. But but yeah, this is like, sorry, I'm blabbing away. I'm just happy, just excited.
Oh, well
Yeah.
done. I'm buzzing now.
Yeah.